Hi, this is Jason here at RoofSnap, and I've got another frequently asked question for you. We have quite a few users who call in and ask us if we can draw the roof for them and upload it right into their account. And yes, we do have this service. It's called our SketchOS, sketch ordering service. And what you're going to want to do in order to place an order is come to our website, roofsnap.com, and come up to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button. Go ahead then and log in with your email address and your password, the same one that you use for the app. I've got a user and password in here, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then once you're logged in, you'll see quite a few tabs across the top. And the very last tab is going to be the SketchOS tab. If for any reason you don't see the SketchOS tab, you're going to want to give us a call so that we can turn on this service for you. Our phone number is 877-766-3762. Once you click on the SketchOS, you will see a list here of any orders that you've already placed, kind of a dashboard so that you can see the progress and status of any order that's pending or complete. But in order to start your first order, click on the blue Request New Order button. And from here, you will see the pricing. So we have the half snap at $9 and the full snap with tiered pricing depending upon the square of the roof. And anything over 80, feel free to give us a call for a custom quote. Once you get to step 1, go ahead and enter the project name. Now, this would most likely be an opportunity number or lead number or perhaps the last name of the homeowner, but we do recommend if you have any sort of lead or opportunity number to use that here in the project name. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in a random 6-digit number there, and then go ahead and type in the location here in the Google Map search bar, and I'm going to use our office here. And you notice as you begin to type, it begins to make suggestions based on the address that you're typing in. And once you see the address that you're searching for appear, as I have here, the very top one for me, go ahead and click on that. It's going to go ahead and put a pin on the structure. You can zoom in Google Maps here and make sure that that pin is indeed on the correct structure. Scroll down to step 3. You'll see that the address information has been put into these fields automatically. You don't need to change any of these fields. If you need to change the address, go back up and search for a different address here in the enter location bar within the map. But as long as you have the correct zip, city, state, and address, then go on to step 4. And here is where you're going to click the drop down and select the user with whom you want the project to be uploaded. So if it's yourself, go ahead and select your own email address. Or if you're uploading for one of your sales team members or a colleague, you can pick another user's email address. But make sure that you pick the right owner, because that is the person who's going to receive the project. If you want to change it from a full snap to a half snap, you'll have that option here. But full snap will always be set by default. And last but not least, in step 5, here is where you're going to give us any notes about the project. If you happen to know that there is a detached building that you also need us to draw, please include that information here. If you know anything about the address or anything about the building that you think might be important, if you already know the pitches and you want to put those in here for us to verify or anything else, please feel free to include as many pertinent notes as you see fit. Once you've put in some notes, go ahead and click on the order button. Now the page will refresh and you'll see that pending order here. And as we go through the process in-house of sketching it and then uploading it into your account, you will see the status here change. And then of course, once we've completed the project and uploaded into your account, you will get an email notifying you that the project is complete. along with any notes from our sketch techs, letting you know if they had any particular concerns about the house, if there was maybe a very large tree obscuring a corner, if they thought maybe they saw part of a bay window or something like that. We'll let you know in the notes field so that you can check when you get on site. So that's pretty much it for ordering your SketchOS. Feel free to send one in at your convenience, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks a lot.